Welcome to the ultimate kitchen upgrade you didn't know you needed. In today's video, we're counting down 12 Amazon kitchen gadgets that are absolutely worth buying this month. Tools that'll save you time, make cooking a breeze, and maybe even turn you into the chef you've always wanted to be. From sizzling electric griddles to eco-friendly composters, we've scoured Amazon to find the best, most innovative gadgets that are trending right now. Whether you're a meal prep pro or just looking to simplify your kitchen routine, there's something here for everyone.
Stick around to discover our #1 pick, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite gadget as we go. Let's dive in. Stainless steel oil filter pot. If you love cooking but hate dealing with leftover oil, this stainless
steel oil filter pot is the perfect solution. Designed with a 2-in-1 function, it allows you to filter, store, and reuse oil, ensuring cleaner and healthier meals. The ultra-fine strainer efficiently removes food particles, extending the life of your cooking oil while reducing waste. Made from durable 304 stainless steel, this pot resists rust, maintains its sleek look, and even works with induction cooktops for easy reheating. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the olecranon-shaped spout prevents messy drips. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning. Whether you're storing bacon grease or homemade sauces, this oil filter pot is a must-have for any kitchen. KITESSENSU Cocktail Shaker Set Bartender Kit. Elevate your cocktail game with the KITESSENSU Cocktail Shaker Set, designed for both seasoned mixologists and beginners alike. This 15-piece bartending kit includes everything you need to craft the perfect cocktail, from a durable 18/8 stainless steel shaker to a stylish wooden stand that keeps your tools organized. The thickened steel construction resists rust and dents, ensuring years of reliable use. With an included recipe guide, even first-time cocktail makers can impress their guests. Whether you're shaking up a martini, stirring an old-fashioned, or mixing up a creative new drink, this set adds style and professionalism to your home bar. Packaged in a sleek box, it also makes an ideal gift for cocktail lovers. LOOHOI Drain Basket with Spout. Tired of water pooling at the bottom of your colander? The LOOHOI Drain Basket is here to make straining easier and more efficient. With a 2025 upgraded design, this basket features a reinforced structure that supports up to 15 lbs while maintaining stability. The unique drainage hole system prevents clogging, ensuring quick and effective water removal. Made from high-temperature resistant, BPA-free material, it's dishwasher safe and safe for hot foods. Whether you're rinsing fruits, draining pasta, or straining vegetables, this kitchen essential simplifies meal prep. The built-in storage hook allows for easy hanging, keeping your kitchen organized. Practical, durable, and space-saving, this drain basket is a must-have for every home cook. Deluxe Everyday Electric Griddle. Cooking for the family just got easier with the Deluxe Everyday Electric Griddle. Whether you're flipping pancakes, grilling burgers, or making eggs, this 20-inch x 10.5-inch nonstick griddle provides ample space for preparing multiple dishes at once. The adjustable heating probe allows precise temperature control, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. A removable drip tray catches excess grease, making cleanup effortless. With its PFOA-free nonstick surface, food releases easily, reducing mess and hassle. Plus, its sleek, compact design makes it perfect for small kitchens, RVs, and dorm rooms. Available in trendy colors, this griddle makes a fantastic gift for home chefs. Just plug it in, set the temperature, and start cooking. J-HVA Metal Faucet Glass Rinser. Rinse your glasses like a pro with the J-HVA Metal Faucet Glass Rinser, a must-have for any modern kitchen or bar. This high-pressure rinser features a 360-degree and rotating water jet that quickly cleans cups, baby bottles, coffee mugs, and more in seconds. The hot and cold water handle allows you to adjust the temperature, ensuring optimal cleaning, even in winter. Unlike standard glass washers, this model includes a switchable on-off setting, preventing accidental activation. The removable tray makes cleaning easy, while the stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting durability. Perfect for homes, restaurants, and coffee shops, this glass rinser takes efficiency and hygiene to the next level. Veken Coffee Canister. Keep your coffee beans fresh and flavorful with the Veken coffee canister, designed for coffee lovers who demand optimal freshness. This 304 stainless steel container features an airtight silicone seal and a one-way CO2 valve, preventing oxidation while preserving the rich aroma of your beans. The built-in date tracker lets you monitor storage time, ensuring every cup is as fresh as possible. A handy see-through window allows you to check your supply without opening the lid. Plus, it includes a stainless steel scoop for precise measuring. Stylish, functional, and durable, this coffee canister is a must-have for any serious coffee drinker. FRTONYI Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Say goodbye to manual grinding and hello to effortless seasoning with the FRTONYI Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Designed with Type-C fast charging, this grinder reaches a full charge in just 1 hour, ensuring you never run out of power. The one-hand automatic operation allows you to season your dishes with the push of a button, making cooking more convenient than ever. With 5 adjustable coarseness levels, you can customize your grind for any dish, whether you prefer a fine, dusting, or a bold, coarse texture. The 70 ml see-through container ensures you never overfill, while the built-in LED light helps control the seasoning amount. With a sleek black and white design, this modern rechargeable grinder set is a must-have for every kitchen. Electric composter for kitchen. Turn food waste into nutrient-rich fertilizer with the Veken Smart Electric Composter, a game changer for eco-friendly kitchens. This powerful composter uses high-temperature drying, grinding, and cooling to reduce food waste by up to 90% in just 3 hours. Featuring low-noise operation at under 40 dB, you can even run it overnight without disruption. The odor-free carbon filtration system keeps your kitchen fresh, while the 4L capacity makes it perfect for daily use. Its compact, sleek design fits seamlessly on any countertop, and the touchscreen controls offer an effortless experience. Choose from crush, ferment, or clean modes to manage waste efficiently. Plus, with a dishwasher-safe removable bucket, maintenance is a breeze. A greener lifestyle starts here. Reduce waste, enrich your garden, and minimize your carbon footprint effortlessly. PriorityChef Potato Ricer. Achieve restaurant-quality mashed potatoes with minimal effort using the PriorityChef Potato Ricer. Say goodbye to lumpy mash. This tool's 3mm fine ricer holes create smooth, fluffy potatoes in seconds. The 15-ounce GANIZA deep basket means fewer batches, saving time on meal prep. Designed with anti-slip cushioned handles, this ricer provides comfortable leverage, reducing strain on your hands. Crafted from 100% rust-proof stainless steel, it's durable, stain-resistant, and dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. Beyond potatoes, this tool is perfect for soft vegetables, baby food, and even homemade gnocchi. Whether you're making a holiday feast or a quick weeknight side, this ricer guarantees perfect consistency every time. With its sturdy build and versatile use, it's a kitchen essential for home cooks and pros alike. Elite Gourmet Non-Stick Electric Skillet. Upgrade your cooking experience with the Elite Gourmet Non-Stick Electric Skillet, a versatile must-have for family meals. The extra-large 16-inch x 13-inch cooking surface lets you cook everything from pancakes to stir-fries with ease. Featuring a durable marbleized honeycomb non-stick coating, food releases effortlessly. No more sticky messes. The M-shaped embedded heating element ensures rapid, even heat distribution for consistent results. A clear tempered glass lid locks in moisture and flavor, while the built-in pour spout makes draining excess liquid a breeze. The scratch-resistant, rust-proof aluminum body is built to last, and best of all, it's dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. With cool touch handles and a 10.5 quart capacity, this electric skillet is perfect for large families, meal prep, and entertaining guests. Chefman Electric Kettle. For boiling water in record time, the Chefman Electric Kettle is a game changer. With 7 precise temperature presets ranging from 160 degrees to 212 degrees, you can brew the perfect cup of tea, coffee, or hot chocolate every time. The tricolor LED lights indicate the heating stage, while the removable tea infuser allows you to steep loose-leaf tea directly in the kettle. Its cordless design makes pouring effortless, and the 360-degree swivel base ensures easy handling from any angle. The fast boil technology heats water in as little as 3 minutes, making it ideal for busy mornings. Plus, the removable lid and wide opening make cleaning a breeze. Whether you're an avid tea drinker or a coffee lover, this kettle delivers convenience, precision, and efficiency in every pour. GANIZA Food Processor. Tackle food prep like a pro with the GANIZA Food Processor, a powerful and efficient kitchen companion. Featuring two 8-cup bowls, one glass, one stainless steel, this processor allows you to chop, dice, mix, and blend with ease. The 450-watt full copper motor delivers 3 times the lifespan of regular motors, while the dual-speed control ensures precise processing for various textures. Designed with automatic safety protection, the processor stops instantly when the motor is removed, perfect for families with kids. The spring-loaded blades provide smooth, even chopping, making meal prep a breeze. Whether you're making salads, baby food, or guacamole, this versatile and easy-to-clean processor is a must-have for every kitchen. And there you have it, our top 12 Amazon kitchen gadgets worth buying this month. From the versatile GANIZA food processor to the game-changing stainless steel oil filter pot at number 1, these tools are designed to make your kitchen life easier, faster, and way more fun. Whether you're frying, mixing cocktails, or just boiling water, there's a gadget here to level up your cooking game. So, which one are you adding to your cart? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this countdown, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and click the bell for more kitchen hacks. Next week, we're tackling the best Amazon tech gadgets under $50. See you then.